So my last software was for this project. It's a project for the course of mechanical advanced resistal of materials, and I need to do an analytical or to code an analytical model for the residual stress in a tube after the with radial expansion with a mandrel. So me and my team developed a code to calculate those residual stress and to use basically these formulas. Um, we use MATLAB to do it, but the method that we use is the spatial discretization. So I have the code here. As you see, I put a lot of comments, as we said in the last video, or in the next video, I forgot. But basically, it's only to apply the analytic code and to plot the residual stress. This can be improved. As you see, those are the values for this specific case, but we can change this and to ask for generic values. But for this specific project, I need to compare this analytical model with an ANSYS and with experimental values that we had. Um, as you see, a lot of comments. Those for iteration. We calculate so we discretize here. Here we initialize the variables and we discretize. So basically, we divide the space of the tube in some in some smaller space. So the variation in the radius, because remember that the tube is expanding, so the new radius the new radius is the last radius plus a difference, okay, with a geometric calcul with tangent. So we initial the variables and we calculate the expansion zone or the zone under expansion, the zone already expanded, and at the end we calculate the residual stress in the tube. And with all the formulas that give us in the course, and we plot those values. So let's run the code. So we have three figures with the deformation, with the stress, and it's pretty much that. I am also working in Python with creating some functions to apply to a design curve of aerospace. We are building an hydroplane. So basically, those are formulas to calculate the atmosphere, the speed, the cruise speed for an airplane. And I also taking courses in Polytechnic of Montreal to improve my abilities with Python, because I had experience with Python, but in the last year I only work with MATLAB, so I need to refresh my knowledge in the system. So that's it pretty much, and thank you for see this video.